Welcome to Northbrook Court in Northbrook, Illinois, a mall that has been suggested to me a couple times to visit. A mall that I have not been to in at least 5 years. It was definitely pre-pandemic. I've been here once or twice, never filmed here, but folks are telling me this is a dying mall. Now, unlike Golf Mill, I don't know of any concrete plans for redevelopment. But interestingly enough, it looks like they've already chopped part of it off. A whole section of the parking lot between that Crate and Barrel and that entrance of the mall is fenced off. And you could definitely see some pieces of the wall there. I'm guessing they took out an anchor? Not really sure. Something's definitely going on. Don't know exactly what, but we were down in this area to visit Golf Mill, so had to check out Northbrook Court. If there's better food court options than Golf Mill had, might get some food here. Now, it's been a while since I've been here, so I do have to kind of get my bearings straight. Alright, we are here. Oh, that's right, there is 2 levels of this place. Fairly decent sized mall. Definitely seems like a anchor was chopped off. It's gotta be. Oh yeah, definitely an anchor went away. I definitely didn't have dead mall vibes of this place during my last visit. It'd be interesting to see what has changed. Looks like we have a movie theater here too. And one of the things they told me about in my comments was that there is a working fountain here. And there is. Not quite the same as Spring Hill, but still. It is a mall fountain. Yeah, this is kind of neat. Someone had mentioned to me that this might be shut off soon. So I don't know if that's true, but that definitely motivated me to come out here. I mean, there's still a decent amount of stores open. Definitely some closed ones as well. This is definitely considered an upper scale neighborhood, upper class. So that's why you definitely get the whole vibes of certain types of stores here. Unfortunately, I'm not really getting food court vibes here. There's also a higher security presence here. Maybe due to the type of stores that are here, so might be a little limited in my filming today. So we'll get back down to the other end here and then head upstairs. And we have an Auntie Hands and a red mango. That's about it so far, food-wise. I may have found something, folks. An Italian place. Well, with the absence of an actual food court, or a traditional type of food court, we have Tony and Bruno's Cafe Italiano. Get a very basic penne pasta with Alfredo sauce. Very similar to something I might do over at Sparrow. I usually get the spaghetti at Sparrow and switch it up with the penne pasta. So far, Northbrook is about what I expected. Definitely didn't remember a ton since my last visit here. I don't at least get the impression that they're shutting down anytime soon, but definitely seems, at least by the state of the parking lot, that they are intending to renovate it a bit, expand on it, and I'm sure like all the other malls are doing, they're gonna incorporate some multi-use thing. Or I guess the more appropriate term would be mixed use. That's the buzzword lately. Yeah, these two malls that I visited today, Golf Mill and Northbrook, is one day after my final visit over at Spring Hill. Yeah, it's been a mall kind of week. A little tiring, actually. Like I said, Northbrook is more of an upper class neighborhood. So this is a mall where I wouldn't necessarily expect to see like a Spencer's or some of your typical mall stores. Maybe they had a Disney store here, I don't really know. Really good pasta. Only wished I had gotten a side of garlic bread. They didn't offer for free, but that would have made it about perfect. Yeah, after this I might have to take a little break from the mall videos. It's been a lot to deal with emotionally. Not only had to worry about security, but the, closing of both Spring Hill, especially, and Stratford. And the physical aspects are going to walk through here, although it's been good exercise, but yeah, it might be time to kind of just take a little break from that for a while. I think the next place I want to go to, finally, is Harlem Irving Plaza. Yeah, that's a pretty unique place as well. Multiple stories. There's like this big indoor parking lot that connects to the Best Buy. And you can also park on like the roof of the mall. All I really remember as a kid is just thinking it was like a big maze. I think it was really cool. So it's been many, many years since I've been in there. Definitely looking forward to checking that out again. All right, continuing on. Can't really make a full loop upstairs because whatever escalator once existed is now long gone. And our car is down this hallway. That was good though, I was definitely hungry. They do have a Claire, so that's a very typical mall store. Free play area. It's cool. I think we'll come down this escalator so we can check out the fountain one more time. Okay, so they're reimagining Northbrook Court anyway. So, is Northbrook Court dying? I don't know. Maybe. But compared to what I've seen lately at Stratford Square Mall, Spring Hill, seems to be doing okay. Very likely the fountain here will last longer than Spring Hill. But security vibes is a real thing here. So while we can, let's get out of here cleanly. Saying goodbye for now. Don't know when I'll be back. But if there is some interesting development, you know I'll cover it here. And honestly, the whole security thing, the mall cops, is one of the big reasons why I kind of want to take a mall break on this channel. Let's be honest, no one gives a crap if you're filming trees and flowers in forest preserves. Alright, well, here's the now non-existent anchor, whatever it was, and fenced off parking lot. Don't know what their plans are. You know, and I don't do the crazy, illegal, abandoned stuff, you know. I'm not checking out abandoned amusement parks or resorts. I just want to document these malls before they're gone. The whole stress of this, keeping an eye out for mall security, is just something that I don't enjoy. I love filming malls. It gets good views, but the stress of the mall security stuff is just, I don't know. We definitely did a lot of mall stuff today. Actually, the past couple days. I want to include our last visit to Spring Hill, and honestly, the past few months since we started the holiday videos at both Stratford and Spring Hill. You know, we got construction going on beside me. There you go. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.